Hey everybody, I got Mulligan here. Yes. Thought I was saying Mulligan here. And I want to teach you one of the really basic things you can start doing with your dog today to start teaching them how to stay. I see a lot of owners always telling their dogs, stay, stay, stay. Dog breaks the bed or breaks the command instantly. And there's two things you can start doing to get them to stay. Or you can just be a dog trainer and be at the end of the leash. But no, he just hopped on there. But so the first thing we want to do is obviously teach him to stay with positivity. We want to reward him for staying on that bed. And then if he goes to step off that bed, the other thing we're going to do is guide him back onto the bed with the leash. Okay? And it takes a whole lot of repetition, a whole lot of consistency, but most of all, a whole lot of patience to do this. Come on, buddy. So I'll reset him first. Come on. Yes. Yes, another word we taught him. Come on. Good. 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 I'm not telling him bed. I'm not telling him sit or down. Good. I'm not telling him don't paw me. Good is simply I'm charging the marker word good. And what good does is it teaches him, it's a continuation word. It's a reward word that I'm teaching him to stay. It's like saying stay, but you're adding a treat to it. Good. Okay. I want to set him up for success, so keep the repetition short. I'm going to walk him right up to the bed, guide him on. Good. Good. What you're going to start doing is you're going to start spacing out these goods. Fewer and farther between. Good. Maybe test them up a little bit. Come on. Good. Oh, you see that? I didn't tell him no. I didn't tell him bed again. I simply just guided him back on the leash. Gave him a little bit of Good. Good. Okay. Nice job, buddy. Yes. What this is going to do, especially for a dog like Mulligan, this is session 1 with him. You know, this is the first treat session he's getting with me. And if we kind of clip all this stuff together of what we did this morning with him, you're going to see that he was super excitable, can't control himself when he's coming out of the crate. And this is going to really start to help him calm him down, teaching, you know, rewarding him for that stay. Not expecting your dog to have that impulse control and correcting them only when they get off, but rewarding them. And it's important that you do correct when they get off the bed. Good. Well, you don't have to be harsh. You just have to have a leash on them and guide them right back on. Good. 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 You don't have to add the most precision treat work for this or anything. It's just kind of teaching him to stay through that word good. So what happens over time, I keep rewarding him when he's in a bed stay, and I correct him with the leash when he gets off, and inherently I don't have to teach him the word stay at all, which is awesome. And you know, I see a lot of owners using it, and depending on that word, and what they're doing is they're sitting there like this, hovering over the dog, and it's stressing out the dog, and the dog wants to break. And when you can just reward them, good. And they'll stay a lot calmer for you. Good. Okay. Do a few more reps for you. Good. Just waiting for all 4 paws. Just a reminder, they can sit, they can stand, they can lay down, whatever they want. It doesn't matter. It's more so using the platform of the bed to teach them to just stay in this area. Good. Okay. Good. job, buddy. Yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.